begin by thanking each and every one of you. Thank you for being here, and thank you for walking alongside me throughout this journey. In a universe filled with infinite possibilities, somehow I ended up at Sherman College. How it happened, I'm still not sure. Maybe it was destiny, maybe it was divine timing, or maybe it was probably Rolando's fault. Why it happened, that I know. I was brought here to unlearn my own limitations. When I first started this program, I had one simple goal, just pass the classes. I did that, and I also had the honor of being a tutor on campus. Then came clinic. My goals shifted to serve well, and please, Lord, don't let me get right now. I did that, and I also had the honor of being selected as intern of the month. But here's the truth. None of this is really about me. This is a testimony of a God with no limitations. And the power of being in alignment with Him. Because there will be days when your mind whispers, you're all alone and you won't make it. And in those days, you must remind yourself of your own testimony, how far you've already come, and who has brought you through. I have a phrase that has grounded me again and again. It's not about what you're walking into, it's about who you're walking in with. And it's because of Him and all of you that are here today that I can stand here and I have the privilege to say, I am ready to adjust the world by delivering the promise of chiropractic.